Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we got a little bit something different. We got like an unboxing video, but it's already unboxed. But it's a review. So today we got right here the Incense Waterfall, and it's a way to help with your stress. Like it's just the smell that it gives off, and these are all the smells you could put in it. And it says right here all the different smells you can have are apple, sakura, lily, rosemary, wormwood, gardenia, rose, lavender, tulips, and agelea wood. Yeah, those are all the flavors right there. I mean, it's a pretty cool box.
So it's supposed to help with your, let me see what it says in the box. I think it says anxiety, stress. So yeah, it's the water. But we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I already tried it once and I wanted to review it because, you know, some people do like the incense smell. They feel like it relaxes them or it gives them different kind of stuff they believe in. What I did notice the first time that I did use it, it's really sensitive to air. So any air that hits it, the AC air, the smoke does not fall like it shows in the box. But let's see how it works now so you guys can see. And it doesn't last that long neither. It lasts like 4 to 5 minutes the most. So we're gonna go ahead and try it and put it on so you guys can see and see what you guys think. And we'll time it. And I'll put the clip, the one that I put it while I was working. And you could see how the wind was hitting it and the smoke was going everywhere. But I paid $22 for this, so it's not bad. It's not that bad, and the smell does smell good with the different cones. The box does come with the Waterfall ceramic. It comes with a little mat in the bottom. Show them, Jaden. And it comes with 10 little incense as well. All of that comes in the box, and you could buy extra if you want. And then take one out. It has a hole in the bottom, and that's what makes the smoke goes down the each little leaves, because that's what it is. But show them the hole. That's what I want them to see. You see how that is? So the smoke comes down there, down to each leaf, and show them the hole in the top. So it goes down. So we're gonna go turn one on and time it so you guys can see how it goes. Hopefully the AC doesn't turn on, and then you'll see how the air just messes it up. We'll be right back.
So we showed you the smoke going almost to the third leaf, fourth leaf, right?
I made it like to the fourth, a little bit to the fifth, the second time. But this is really, really, really sensitive
Really sensitive
to the air and
we tried
wind.
to put pillows on the side and under the table, and it was still getting some type of wind from somewhere.
From the AC or Aiden moving around here, cracking up. But it is worth it. Like, I like it, you know. I would like to get the effect of a waterfall, because that's really what it's called. It's a waterfall. But you have to put it like in a little acrylic box. In there, and just so the smoke could go actually down and nobody breathe. Just isolated somewhere. It's pretty cool, but it does make it, at least it does make it to that first leaf, obviously, because that's where it comes down to the second and third, and takes longer to get to the fourth, and then it just goes everywhere after that. But for $22, it's okay. It's okay. Out of 5 stars, I probably give it like 2.5 or 3.
Yeah.
So you guys could, when you see the video, you decide what you guys think.
And we just gave this item a free sponsorship.
Yeah, because we bought this, so it wasn't All right, guys, this was a little quick video.
Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and we'll probably put the item link in the description.
I don't know if I found, because I didn't get it from Amazon. It was one of these little pop-up things that came in Instagram. So I'll see if I can find it, but I'll put if you guys like it.
Find it. So yeah, we'll probably have the link in the description. So if you want to buy it or not. And yeah, just like the video, subscribe. Click that bell notification.
And we soon will be doing a giveaway. So probably in the next video, I'll talk a little bit about it. All right, guys, peace.